Alrighty. Glock 22 Gen 5. There's a 15 round magazine, and I'm keeping it loaded with 180 grain gold dots. Subject to change back to the 180 grain Remingtons whenever I can get a hold of some more again. I was pleasantly surprised to find this gun at one of my gun shops. I wouldn't say local, but near where I live. It was Daddy's gun shop in Mayo. I had not heard that Glock was going to be bringing out the 22 and the Gen 5. For several years, I shot a Gen 3 as my competition pistol. And this one's probably going back into the competitive arena. Regular old Glock sights, Gen 5 base plate, ambidextrous slide release, Gen 5 trigger, and the marksman barrel, which is traditional grooves in it, and it will accommodate cast bullets. So in this time of ammo shortage, I'm really not going to slow down my training schedule much. In addition to this probably being the gun that I go back to shooting competition with, I am probably also going to use it in some levels as a truck gun or a woods gun, home defense gun, and a concealed carry gun now that it's getting along in the cooler parts of the year. I've run a mixture of Remington and Winchester and Federal full metal jackets through it. I've run some Tula full metal jackets through it. In the last day, reliability has been 100%, but I expected that. I've ran some gold dots through it, make sure it would cycle with those, make sure it hit the right point of aim. It has. Again, when the Remington 180 grain Golden Sabers or personal defense get back on the market, I may switch it back over because that's been my go-to bullet in .40 caliber a long time. In the meantime, this is how it's going to stay. I look forward to using it in USPSA competition. A lot of people fussed about the finger grooves. I never had a problem with them. I've got the medium back strap on it. But the Gen 5 guns, without the finger grooves, they fit my hand just as well. So I can take them or leave them. There's really nothing groundbreaking with this gun, other than Glock now says you can shoot cast bullets in it, which, truth of the matter, I shot through my Gen 3 without any problem. So, look forward to seeing the Glock return to my holster for competition later on.